Hi guys, how you doing? It's your girl Sissy Agnes back again. And you know what? This time around to go kitchen. Kitchen. We are doing spicy pancakes. And I have a guest today. Drum rolls. So kindly introduce yourself.
Hi guys, this is Mary Margaret. I'm a Mary Maggie Makujua on my YouTube channel. Makujua is Makujua even in a sound. And yeah, thank you for having me.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So today we are going to do spicy pancakes. Not just the pancakes in your mezoya.
Okay.
So yeah, let me show you the ingredients right now and then we get down into cooking the pancakes.
Mint a taste.
When appetite. Exactly. She'll have to taste. She's my guest today.
Makujua.
Right now we are in the kitchen. We are doing more spiced pancakes.
This is a pancake.
Imagine.
Okay, so nyama.
It's not meat. So
okay.
We have tomatoes.
Okay.
Tuko na dania or rather coriander, right? Yeah, and then we have eggs over here. We have carrots.
Okay.
I have hoho. Then ndimu and kitunguu.
Ndimu ni umechinja hapa.
Exactly,
Great.
Exactly. And then I have some salt and some sugar, then the flour. Let's get down. Carrots, onions, then of course dania. This is not this is all right. Then ndimu, then have this tomato.
Oh, okay, nice.
Oh, my eggs. And at least the lemon juice is also good. And have some water. This one is great. Yo. Let's do this. Look at that. So Makujua. Our dough is very ready.
Okay.
We are now ready to cook.
Inaka rich.
Inaka rich. Usijali. These are our pan, so unanyeka tu kama mafuta kidogo. Ndio usiunguze. Usitoe. What you order versus what you get. If you know, you know.
Yeah.
It's very rich yenyewe. Umeona hivyo pia wewe. Pancakes lazima uitengeneze shape. Unaweza tu shika pale. With materials kujeni. We show you how to make shape ya nini? Ya pancake. Sio kushinda hapo unasumbuana. It looks like pizza.
It looks like kama utivyo.
Oh, I should be showing you people don't msiseme. Nimeongezea, but you'll have to bear with me and my
You're not supposed to use a spoon?
I'm not really. I don't like the spoon thing. Juu unaweza ikatakata.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So unainamisha tu vizuri. It makes the shape. I know I've really tried to make that shape. Sindio? It's very rich. Sindio? Yeah. So nikatuka moto kidogo inakauka. let's wait ikauke then. Naweka tu mafuta kidogo kando. It's very rich. Make sure inaiva vizuri juu iko na so many ingredients.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sure. Hii inapikangwa na mtu kama hana haraka. Juu vitu zenye ziko hapa yenyewe.
Usika breakfast labda uamke 5.
Usipozipika zipikike kabisa, I mean ziive, my friend. Hautazienjoy. Hautapenda. So shakauka. Chikauki vizuri. Najua unauliza itaiva saa ngapi?
Unajua aje?
I know your appetite.
Yes. Please.
Najua unauliza itaiva saa ngapi. My viewers are waiting for me to do niweke the other side like a chef. Oh my goodness. Mimi ndio niko. But let me try. Wow, we made it. Oh. Thank you.
Nice.
Mimi ni ule dames ndio. Cess point. Usiweke mingi cause ni nono sana, I know it's very rich. How's the shaping?
Good one.
Haitakaa miba, si ndio?
Well.
Just wait for it ikauke. Naongezea moto ikauke.
Inakapoa by the way, kiva inakapita.
Thank you. Some creativity. Miss Creativity as always, you know.
Okay.
Cess Point Kitchen.
All right, madam.
Cess Point ideas, you know. Makujua. How do you see the idea?
I love it. I can't wait to try it.
Sure.
Yeah.
You have your appetite.
I can't.
You can't.
Na ya kubrag nayo.
Please don't brag.
I tell my subscribers and my viewers, try this so that first of all, if you're a wife, it's the way to your husband's heart through the stomach. You know.
Come. Let me show you whoever is talking and if you're a what? If you're a what?
If you're a wife, the way to men's stomach. Sorry, the way to your man's heart is through his stomach. And if I also have audience when you're college people, university people, campus girls and young men. You don't need to eat good food only in hotels. Do it in your house.
Wow.
Also, if you're having guests, it's a nice way to brag. Yes, so subscribe to this channel. If you've not subscribed to this Cess Point channel, you'll have things to brag about. And of course, eat good food in your house. And also to my channel.
Oh, she's so nice. Na najua ni appetite ndio inafanya aongee. So
I can't wait to taste.
Mmeona tuko wengi, msiulize. And
ni nani huyo anaongea? Kichina.
Kichina. Mmeona tuko wengi. Wow, this one it looks like a big boss. Lazima ikuwe ni yako. Wow. Hey.
Madam Chef.
Oh.
So we are sorry.
Not really Madam Chef.
Okay.
Madam Chief Chef.
We are sorry. We are sorry.
Alafu ukitaka pancakes zako, do you know most of the people eat pancakes and they are like unasikia kupuke nini? Just balance your ingredients. Alafu usiweke mafuta mob. Unajua utaamua kupika pancakes si mafuta mingi. It's just ni mafuta tu kidogo. Wow.
Okay, yummy.
Yummy. Wow. It looks yummy, sindio? Yeah, make sure hizo ingredients zimeiva vizuri. Ndio usikule ukisikia yakish.
Oh, that means mtu anafaa kuweka moto kidogo.
Sorry?
That means mtu asiweke moto nyingi ndio ziive pole pole.
Yeah, sure. Lakini uzuri nimezi nini?
Great.
Exactly. So, at least they are fine. Sio hizo ziko na malamp.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We are sorry. We are sorry.
Shouldn't be sorry. We are here to learn, you know.
Okay.
Wow. It looks yummy.
Can't wait to brag with this one.
Especially this one.
Niamke nipike mapema mtu. Unajua asijue nilipika aje, asikie tu taste.
Wow. It looks so nice.
Really.
So sweet.
You're a good one.
Wow. So, there we go. There we go, guys. There we go. Ooh. How is it? Just a simple recipe, simple ingredients, and boom. We go. You're done. There you have your breakfast. Well served, well cooked. Best recipe. Makujua.
So mimi na taste. Cess ila napika. Tusikie kama tape pole sana karudi.
Wow. Ona vile anaharakisha tusione vile anauma.
You guys, you should try it. You should try it at home and brag about it to your friends. But don't tell them where. Oh, you can tell them where you got it from. Yeah, otherwise it's very, very sweet.
It's sweet.
No
problem. Haita shida. I know. Vile unakula hapa na vile unakulanga, my friend. Siwezi control.
Otherwise it's a good job. Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you. Wow. Yani, nasikia kama nimeserviwa in the best. What sijui.
Come on.
Wapi kwingine best YouTube channel, Cess Point. Nasikia hivyo. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I know you will comment the best comments. You will like, you will share the link, you will subscribe. Thank you for all that. You know what? It's just a simple recipe, as I said, sorry. Just niseme nini? A yummy outcome. Makujua umesikiaje?
Ni tamu. Si chocha, by the way.
Ni tamu. And you know what? One for my
viewers.
So guys, kindly continue watching my videos, commenting, liking, sharing the link. You know what? Subscribing kindly. Road to 400 subscribers. Siku moja nitasema tu 400k subscribers. Subscribe to Maggie Makujua's YouTube channel. I know she has a lot, and really a lot. She also does recipes. Na mnajua nini zake? Ziko hivi. So, but today I know I've shown us something different.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Exactly. So kindly, guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to our channel. You know what? Road to 400. Bless up. Till next time, keep it this point.